Waiapuka is actually considered to be the pico or the belly button of the Ko'olau mountain range. So the significance of that being the pico here is that it's not by accident that of all the places that the birthplace of native trees is coming from Gunstock. It's going to give life and spread out throughout Oahu. Kind of after hearing that and the significance of Waiapuka here on the property and the significance of planting trees, it all really felt like it came together.
Our dream is to have an original Hawaiian forest. So what the ecosystem, what the land would have looked like before people came and meddled with it and brought things that weren't supposed to be growing out here.
Right now we're on phase 1, which is 80 acres, and we're working in that area right now. And then eventually we hope to prove to our landowners that this model works and that we may be able to expand way up into the mountains into possibly thousands of acres.
We are in our ʻAlohilani forest, so I'm sure you guys can feel the mana, feel the importance that we are standing in right now. Each of these little baby trees has been planted here for a specific person or a reason.
I mean, there's lots of different ways you can put money in towards, like ʻAlohilani, they do for the $5, and then, you know, you can buy a tree and have it planted for you. But we like to tell people to come out because something happens when you get your hands dirty. When you are at the actual one that's planting the tree, something changes. You watch it in people's eyes and they're like, oh, I didn't think that that's what I was going to feel about a tree.
So out here in Hawaii, we believe everything has a mana. So mana is your spirit. So the way that you pass your mana is with this water. So whatever you have for your hopes and dreams for your Milo tree, keep them in your mind and in your heart as we give your tree its first drink of water in the earth. Is there anything you'd like to say for your tree today?
Well, I hope it grows just as big and strong as the rest of these guys out here, you know? One more little guy for the rest of the big forest.